In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the rank function in Excel with different ranks for same values. To get started, open your Excel worksheet and look at the top row of your data area. The first thing you will do is label your columns clearly, because Excel formulas work best when the sheet layout is consistent and easy to read. In cell A1, type Employee. In cell B1, type Score. In cell C1, type Unique Rank. After you enter these headings, take a quick moment to confirm they appear exactly in those cells, with the correct spelling and spacing. This will make the rest of the process simpler to follow. Next, you will fill in the rows for your example data. This part sets up the scores that you want to rank. Go to cell A2 and enter the first employee name. Then continue filling cells A3 through A6 with the remaining names. Now switch to column B and fill in the scores. Enter the first score in cell B2, and then complete cells B3 through B6 with the other scores. You should include duplicate scores, because that is the key scenario this ranking method is meant to handle. When you have duplicates, many simple rank formulas treat tied values in the same way, but here you will create a unique rank for each row. Once your names and scores are entered, you are ready to calculate the unique ranks. Move your cursor to cell C2, because that is where the first calculated value will go. In cell C2, type the formula exactly as follows. =rank B2 belie B2 belie 6 plus count if $B$2 B2 B2 belie -1. Take a moment to notice what this formula is doing. The rank function compares the score in B2 to the range of all scores from B2 to B6. Then the count if part counts how many times the current score has appeared up to the current row, which helps shift tied values so each row gets a different rank. After you type the formula, press enter on your keyboard to calculate the first unique rank value. When you do this, Excel will show a number in cell C2. Make sure the value appears correctly and also verify that it makes sense compared to your scores. If your top score is highest, it should receive the strongest rank number according to the way the rank function is returning results. Now that the first rank is calculated, the next step is to copy the same logic down the rest of your ranking column. This is where you avoid retyping formulas. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of cell C2. Look closely at the small fill handle that appears at the corner of the cell, because that is what Excel uses to copy formulas downward. Wait for your pointer to change into a thin black cross icon. This change is important because it indicates Excel is ready to fill the formula in the direction you drag or double-click. When you see the thin black cross, double-click it. Excel will copy the ranking formula down your column for the remaining rows in cells C3 through C6, based on where it detects your neighboring data. At this point, you should see a unique rank value for each row, even if two employees have the same score. The key outcome is that tied scores no longer produce identical ranks across rows. Instead, each row gets a different rank in the unique rank column, while still respecting the overall ordering established by the score values. Take a moment to look over your final results in column C. Confirm that every row from C2 to C6 contains a number, and that duplicates in column B lead to distinct rank outputs rather than repeated identical ranks. If everything matches, you have successfully set up a clear and reliable ranking system for the dataset you entered. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.